I lost my headphones, and London's pretty silent, funnily enough, so I'm using my ears more. Conversations dissipate into silence, both comfortable and not. Perhaps I'm seeing more, all my senses unlocking each other, between pavement pizzas and the Shard. What hides beneath always works its way up to the top. Take away a hive of activity. Past 12, the streetlights become my mates, and the sky a distant observer. I never thought birds sang amongst the bustle, but maybe I wasn't listening. So occupied with the beeping of horns, I thought the birds I saw in the skies were planes. Trust issues telling me to push doors, to run across Green Man roads, to talk quieter, to talk less. Jog my memory. Heavy feet, heavier mind. Inhale, exhale. I'll remember this time. Silly little things. The tiniest of moments. Becoming sentimental.